This is a review of the vacuum sealer, and the brand sent this to me so that I can test out, show you how it works, do a review. And I am using this today to demonstrate how I vacuum seal steaks when we can buy it in bulk. And so how we use these vacuum sealer is make sure you get the appropriate size bag. Add the item that you would wish to vacuum seal. Add the vacuum bag to the vacuum sealer. Lift that up, push it down so then that way it locks tight. And how we originally do this is you start from, left to right. And so we are going to be doing moist, and it's going to be normal pressure. It's going to be a double seal. It's not going to be a canister. Canister is what this attachment is for. And so you would attach it to the back here and then attach it to your canister and do that if that's the way you were looking to do it. And so what we're going to be doing is we are going to be pulsing it. All right, so and then we seal. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful, double sealed. Double seal vacuum sealed steak. Okay, and what's nice about this one too is that there is a roll inside that you can open, and then you can pull out the length that you desire, and then you can use this to cut. But for right now, I am using the pre-cut size for the steaks. And that's very beautiful. And then we can write on here what it is and then the date.